you see anything that you like?
Yeah, sure. Can I just take a look around, see if there's anything I can buy?
Absolutely. We have everything priced. It's 40% off the blue sticker price on there, which is wholesale price. And so go out and shop around, and we'll collect your cash on the way out.
Sounds great. I'm gonna take a look around. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. And all this stuff was donated here. Like, Michelle, how many tractor trailer things were?
7.
7.
I do have everything priced. I guess.
Volunteers came in and put all these stickers on there that they looked up online or some kind of inventory sheet to find out what it is, what the retail was.
Okay.
We actually looked up on the internet every single wholesale price, and we've got a lot of work still to do on some of it because some of it is not consistent. But we will have a website that will be a stores online website, so all of the inventory is being put online as we speak.
Really?
So
That's
before you come down
inventory
here,
to put online.
it is. We have a wonderful.
Need some volunteers.
We got a wonderful volunteer doing it.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
she's almost finished.
Cool. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
So
And yeah. And like some of the stuff like the doors, you know, like we want to use over in Lakewood on future projects.
Sure.
And it doesn't have to be Lakewood since that's happening, you know, because that's where we're at
Right now, yeah.
Using doors, using the windows, the tubs, you know, some of this stuff you can tell came out of houses. There's nothing wrong with it. So maybe an investor wants to come in and you know, they see a tub that they want to create a spa tub in one of the houses.
Sure.
that
Some are
isn't-
used, some are
Right,
brand new.
Some are
I
brand
mean,
new, right, still in the box. But there's just all sorts of stuff. Vanity tops there, appliances there, sinks, there's a water heater, you know, the air conditioners we brought in today.
we're Atlanta's best kept secret.
That's right. We got two fireplaces that came out of a house. Paint, tons of paint. And the list goes on. Cabinets, you know, we got whole kitchens back there of stuff that people can buy and put in the house. We've used them in projects before. The house down in McDonough, Miss Miller's house, we took a kitchen out of a house professionally.
those look perfectly fine too.
Yeah. So it's like that's what it's about. And
As it's marked, it's 40% off of that, or is that the
40% off.
40% off of that?
This way, if we want to have a 60% off sale, or we want to have a 50% off sale,
Right.
or we want to have a 70 off sale, we have the base price to work with on all of it.
So Mark, tell everybody the address and when they can come out here and check out your
Michelle's probably
inventory.
the best answer to
Well,
that.
it's 900 Wendell Court, and that's off of I-20 and Fulton Industrial Boulevard. We're in Suite C, and we are open by appointment right now. Traditionally 10 to 2 during the day, Monday through Friday, 10 to 4 on Saturday. But we're asking that you call us at 404-274-2406, just to make sure we have staff on site, because we're an all volunteer run organization right now. So if we don't have staff show up, we don't have people.
So is there a voicemail? Can I leave a voice?
Yes, you can leave a
Voicemail
voicemail.
if you're not here? Okay, great.
Absolutely.
Sounds good.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you.